Alright, so this is a review of a padlock I bought for a shipping container. I bought it on Amazon. It's called Britanium. Seems pretty solid. It's heavy. It comes with 5 keys that are not your normal key. So there's 5 copies of this key. So the slot is here. And it's a little dirty because it was in my coat pocket. But irregardless of that, so the bolt is there, you slip the key in, you turn the key, and it pops out. So this is free floating, as you can see. And it just pops in, and when it pops in, the key snaps back. So watch again. Pop it out, and then when you push this lock in, it snaps in place. So what you got to know about this and buying these for shipping containers is this may not fit the shipping container because not all shipping containers are, the latches aren't the same size. Oh, the alarm goes off on my fire. That's a temperature probe I have in the stack. Lets me know when the fire starts to get warm up. I'm just going to shut that off. Turn down the draft a little bit. We'll leave it. Where's it at? It should slow down, maybe. Okay, yeah, it's going down. Good. All right, now where were we? So, yeah, not all shipping containers are the same size. So, when I put the measuring stick to this, it's just shy of an inch. And if we pop that open again, so that the bolt does go in flush, so you're good for almost an inch. So what we got to do now is go out to the shipping container, and you'll get to see. I've already gone out and looked. That's why I'm making this video. But I'll go out again and we'll have a look. Okay, so we're at the shipping container. So when you flip the latch down and you slide this over, it's almost fits, but it doesn't. Because when you try to shove that bolt up, it doesn't move at all. Now, you could go this way and try it. Alright, so it doesn't fit, as you can see. Just not deep enough. Now, I had said that throat on that lock was an inch. And if we go here and look, it's about an inch, so it'll slide over, but because of the contour of this, the lock won't go all the way. Now, ideally, I wouldn't want the lock like this anyway, because with rain and snow and freezing, it'll fill up the hole and you know, make it difficult to unlock again. So ideally, you'd like to lock it like this, and it definitely won't close that way. Now, we could take that away and do this, and it still won't fit. Go the other way. I mean, I can get it through the handle part, but it won't go through the tab here. I mean, it's deep enough. No, it's not deep enough. Look at that. See, even just the tab on the door is not deep enough. So you got to know your measurements. So this depth from the back of the throat to the bolt is the important measurement. I suppose so is the clearance of from where the bolt is to here. And that measurement is 1/4 inch. And that measurement is 5/8. So, yeah, no matter how you slice it, this, unfortunately, this kind of lock I had that on there before, so what was it? So it was like that, and it locked. That'll go in. But once you put the handle on and try it, it won't. So, I mean, you could maybe file out this hole a little more. That might work. It's just not the lock for this shipping container. Well, there you go. That's the review. Have a good one.